Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna play my favorite math game, Hit the Button. Hit the Button is a top marks fire game, and top marks fire game. That it has a timer, and it is gonna calculate how many questions can we do in 1 minute. So let's get started. It has activities for maths as number bonds, doubles, halves, timetables, division facts, square numbers. So let's get started. So in this video, from the hit the button game, we are gonna do only the three activities: doubles, halves, timetables, because we don't have much time, so we are gonna do only three activities. So let's get started with doubles. So in doubles, let's do doubles 10 to 20. Okay, let's read the instructions. Hit the button that is double the number shown. Let's play this. That seems the instruction. So double of 16 is 32. Double of 15 is 30. Double of 18 is 36. Double of 10 is 20. Double of 13 is 26. Double of 16 is 32. Double of 10 is 20. Double of 15 is 30. Double of 20 is 20. I'm wrong. Double of 20 is 40. Double of 12 is 24. Double of 14 is 28. Double of 15 is 30. Double of 20 is 40. Double of 11 is 22. Double of 12 is 24. Double of 10 is 20. Double of 20. Oh, that's so amazing. In this game, the questions are being repeated. So let's see what is our marks. Our marks is your time is up and you scored 16 out of 17. Excellent work. Oh, that's high. Okay, now let's go. And now let's do halves. Okay, in halves, how about let's do in halves again. Let's do halves. In halves, let's do 10 to 20. Halves from 10 to 20. Instructions: hit the button that is half the number shown. Let's play. Half of 28 is 14. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 26 is 13. Half of 34 is 17. Half of 30 is 15. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 26 is 13. Half of 24 is half of 28 is 14. Half of 22 is 11. Half of 26 is 13. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 26 is 13. Half of 36 is 18. Half of 38 is 19. Half of 34 is 17. Half of 28 is 14. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 26 is 13. Half of 20. Oh, the time's over. Let's see our score. Your time is up and you scored 18 out of 18. Brilliant. A perfect score. Now let's do our last activity for this video, timetables. Okay, so in timetables, let's do timetable, all the timetables by 5. Come on. Okay. 11 multiply by 5. 11 multiply by 5 is equal. Oh, that's tricky. Oh no, easy. 11 multiplied by 5 is equal to 55. 11 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 8 multiplied by 5 is 8 multiplied by 5 is 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. And 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 12 multiplied by 5 is... My time is over. Oh, that's so bad a score. 8 out of 8. Now let's do another activity in timetables because this is not enough. We have still 2 minutes. Let's do timetables of 2. Come on. Instructions. You will be shown a calculation. Hit the button that shows the correct answer. Come on, let's start this. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. And 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Oh no, 16. 5 multiplied by 2 is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 8 multiplied by 4 is 16. 12 multiplied by 2 is easy, 24. Okay, your time is up. You scored 14 out of 15. Excellent work. So our score for this is 14 out of 15. So today this is the end of the video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this video. Bye.